Tips for mastering exam instructions. No mistakes allowed. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into one of the most overlooked aspects of taking the Cambridge English exams: following exam instructions. It might seem simple, but a surprising number of students lose marks because of tiny mistakes in this area. Don't be one of them. Let's explore the common mistakes and how to avoid them. Imagine you've studied hard, and you know your English is on point. Yet, you end up losing marks, not because of your language skills, but because you missed a small instruction. It's frustrating, right? Instructions serve as a roadmap. If you don't follow them, you can easily get lost, even if you know the material well. 1. Not reading all the instructions. Many candidates skim over the instructions, thinking they've seen them all before. Each exam might have slight variations, so always read through every word. 2. Answering too many or too few questions. Sometimes an instruction may ask you to choose 3 out of the following. Make sure you're not choosing more or less than what's asked. 3. Not sticking to the word limit. If an answer requires a one-word answer, don't provide 2 words. Similarly, if there's a word range, try to stick within it. 4. Using the wrong format. For instance, if the instructions specify to write dates as the 1st of January, don't write it as January 1st. 1. Practice active reading. Engage with the instructions. Read them out loud, in your head, and highlight or underline keywords if allowed. 2. Budget your time. Always allocate a few initial minutes just to read and understand the instructions. Don't rush. 3. Double check. Before moving on to the next section or before ending the exam, quickly revisit the instructions to ensure you didn't miss anything. 4. Practice with sample papers. The more familiar you are with the typical instructions in the Cambridge English exams, the less likely you'll make a mistake on the real deal. And there you have it. Remember, the Cambridge English exams are not just a test of your language abilities but also your attention to detail. Every mark counts. So, next time you sit for an exam, give those instructions the attention they deserve. We hope you found this video helpful, and we wish you all the best in your upcoming exams. Happy studying!